Subscribe my Techie Bro YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hello friends, welcome to my Techie Bro YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you that how to install Python on Termux. To install Python you need type apt install Python and hit enter. Type Y and hit enter. Now it is installing. It will take little bit time, so please wait. Now as you can see, Python has been successfully installed on Termux. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. And I will see you next video.